How to fix Binance login problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vpn Set Up, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Binance login problem. Now there are two different ways that you can fix it. First things first, what you can do is you can use a VPN. If you're having some server errors, then you can go ahead and always use VPN, download the VPN and use VPN, and then once you set up a connection on VPN, then you can try and log in. However, if the server is not the issue, if the connection is not the issue, then it might be the issue within the app. In such case, what you want to do is you want to head into your device settings. Under settings, what you want to do is you want to head into apps. Under apps option, you want to look in for Binance. You can either scroll down and look in, or you can search it from the search bar. Simply open up the Binance app info, and here you want to scroll down and head into storage option. Under storage at the bottom left, you can see the clear data option. Tap on it and then tap on delete. Once you do so, the app will be reset and all the bugs and glitches will be gone as well. So you want to go ahead and open it up and you can log in back again. So this way you can fix Binance login problem. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.